Okay, good morning, student. Yesterday, geometry paper 1, only question number 1, A MCQ we have done. We will continue with question number 1, B. Two circle having radii 3.5, 2.5. Radii 1 is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Radii 2 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. It is given. Find the distance between their center touching internally. We will find out both. If touching internally, if touching externally, internally R1 minus R2, bigger radii minus smaller radii, 3.5, 2.5 is equal to 1 centimeter. Externally, R1, R2, 3.5, 2.5, 6 centimeter. First B first, first B second. They will give you particularly internally or externally. I have shown how to find internally and externally. A and B given. A is given minus 6.5. B is given minus 2.3. Find P, A by 2, 4. It is a midpoint. So, if P is a midpoint of segment AB, so P X Y, this is X, this is Y, this is X1, this is Y1, this is X2, this is Y2. X1 plus X2 divided by 2, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. And that is given A by 2, comma 4, minus 6 minus 2. 5 plus 3 by 2. So 5 plus 3 means 8 by 2. It is 4. So that is given. So we will compare this first part and first part. A by 2 is equal to minus 8 by 2. Directly you can answer this. No need to do the cross product. So your A is equal to minus 8. Third, it is given AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. It is given. So it is Pythagoras. Now they have asked in right angle triangle ABC, which angle is exactly 90? So therefore AB is hypotenuse. Correct. Therefore opposite of side AB is largest angle. Opposite of AB means C. Opposite of this, right, directly 90 degree. So now C. If it is AB, so you can write AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. With reason you have to write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Means AB square is the highest, so of longest side opposite angle is always highest. In right angle triangle, the highest angle is 90. So measure angle C is equal to 90. Concept must be clear. Now this very good example it is given. ABD, ABC we have to find. So here there are three triangles: ABD, ADC, and ABC. Three triangle. 1, 2, and full. For all three triangles, height is common. Height is same. That is why area by area is equal to base by base. So which they have given area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABC. Base by base. So base, remove AA. So BD by BC. Area 1 by area 2 is equal to H1, base 1 by base 2, when H1 is equal to H. This is the reason. So 3 by 7. When you will take the square of the ratio when it is similar, here similar is not given. So students are doing mistake here, that they are taking the square of the side, square of respective side. No, it is not given similar. Now question number 3A. Say what you want to say. This is 46, this is 46, this is common, so X, E, C, D, A, B. 46X and Y. 46X and Y. So that two triangles are similar by AA test, but that we have to prove. In triangle 46XY BCA, 46XY DCE. Now measure angle B is equal to measure angle D. D means ECD, EDC. Given 46, 46. So first angle are congruent. Then middle, it is common. Measure angle C is equal to measure angle C is equal to X. Common. If two angles of two triangles are equal, third automatically equal, because sum of three angle of triangle is 180. Therefore third triangle measure angle A, measure angle E. E means DEC. third angle of two triangle. If two are congruent, third automatically congruent. No need to write third pair even equal, because if two pair are equal, you can write by AA test. Here you can write by AA test. Both are correct. Similar, not congruent, correct? By AA or AA test. Inscribe angle theorem is not there, but semicircle is there. So the semicircle in inscribe in semicircle is right angle and triangle. That is there. So that they have covered as a second. So third A first, second A first, sorry. Now second A second. What they have given? This is diameter. When it is diameter, inscribe always 90. Sorry. Point number 1. Measure arc AMC. It is given 180. Therefore, measure angle B is equal to half of measure arc AMC is equal to half of 180 is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, measure angle B is equal to 90, right angle. Therefore, angle inscribed in semicircle are always angle inscribed in semicircle are always right angle. Now they have given the steps. According to that, we have to draw. Draw a circle of radii 4, center O. Take a point P on the circle. Draw the ray OP. Draw the ray OP. Draw a perpendicular line to OP at point P, means to draw the circle or to draw the tangent to the circle from a point, the point which is on the circle. So from P on both the side, from P first cut both the side, then that A and B, from A and B cut up down, from B up and down, from A also up and down. Now try to join this, it will touch. PQR you can write, and here you have to show 90 degree, here you have to show 4 centimeter, whatever the symbols, whatever the unit numbers you are writing, it should not touch to the diagram. To identify it is a Pythagorean triplet or not, there are two methods. Numbers are given 24, 70, 74. 24, 7, 74. See, around 5-6 times I have introduced both the method. In first method, we will select highest. When we are selecting highest, at that time we have to do the sum of rest of square. When we will select the lowest, at that time we will find out the difference of the square of the rest. Practically we will see select highest, select lowest. So highest square 74 square, 4 for the 16, 7 for the 28 into 56, 7 7 the 49. So it is 5 4 7 6. Correct. Okay, now sum of this 24 24 576 70 74 9 double 0 4900 edit. So both are equal. So you can write 74 square is equal to 24 square plus 70 square. Therefore, 24, 70, 74 Pythagorean triplet. Yes, this is one method. Another method, here I will select smallest one square. We know 576. After selecting highest, I have added. After selecting lowest, I will subtract. And you know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. One time plus, one time minus, one time plus, one time minus. So you can write 24 square is equal to 74 square minus 70 square. This goes this side, so 24 square plus 70 square is equal to 74 square. So 24, 70, 74 are Pythagorean triplet. Yes. See the difference in both the method. This one is more simple, less calculation, less number of square you have to find out. Here, all the square you have to find out. Because in plus there is no formula. For minus, there is a formula, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b. And a square plus b square, you have to find square of both. Now cyclic and exterior of cyclic. Very good question. I hope you all are doing every day at least 1 hour practice. One day algebra, one day geometry. content, confidence, drill work, and presentation. This is the four ingredients of board masala, SSC board masala. Contain, confidence, drill work, presentation. If you are master in this four, every board um, you will pass with great history. We have to find out X and Y. Quarterly, it is given cyclic. Quarterly P, Q, R, S is given. Therefore, measure angle P plus measure angle SRQ opposite are 180. So 110 plus X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. So which is X? Measure angle SRQ is equal to X is equal to 70. And you can see it is a half circle, linear pair, X plus Y is equal to 180. Why? Linear pair. So X is equal to 70 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So Y, it is 180 degree minus 70. Y is what? Measuring angle SRQ. SRT. One more point. This is 110, so this is also 110. Why? X, Y, and Z. So we know X plus Y is equal to 180 because linear pair. And Z plus Y also it is 180 cyclic. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to Y plus Z. Y cancels, X is equal to Z. So this is equal to Z, this. So Y is equal to this. That is why we are getting this. So like that also, that is the second method. I have done this plus this is equal to 180. You can write Y is equal to direct measure angle P because exterior of cyclic is exactly equal to the remote interior. Exterior is exactly equal to the remote interior, opposite to the remote interior. And this is the proof. By this way also you can find, by this way also you can find, or by writing the statement that exterior is equal to the remote interior. Divide by x-axis, divide by y-axis, you have to remember. divided by x-axis is equal to a0 divided by y-axis 0b. This you have to remember, because if you will don't write this, you can't complete your question. A is given, B is given, and it is divided by Y. A is given, B is given. Somewhere it is divided by that point on Y axis, so 0B. No need to consider plus or minus. Automatically, whatever will be the answer, it will come. Now, by internal formula method, we can complete this. P divides segment AB internally, because externally that is not in your syllabus. So this is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2, this is your xy, and the ratio is mn. So we have to find out both point of intersection and a ratio. So first we will find out point of intersection. So that is Pxy is equal to mx2 nx1 from the month April to the month of December, 4 times. All formulas of algebra and geometry I have signed it 4 times. So nowadays, at the present time, you should buy out all the formulas. Okay. Without formula, you can't appear the maths exam. That's clear. P0B mx2 minus 9 nx1 x m by 2 8. So first always compare with 0 when it is x axis or y axis like this. So minus 9m plus 3n by mn, m plus n is equal to 0, and 3m plus 8n by mn, m plus n. By cross product, this will be 0 into 0, 0. Positive remain here, negative goes this side, so it becomes positive. So I want m, this comes down, 3 here, this comes down, cancellation, 1:3. So mn is 1:3. 1:3. 3 ones are 3, 8 threes are 24. This is 4. 27, 4. So with zero, when you will deal with zero, when you will do the calculation, you will find the ratio. And when you will substitute the ratio, you will get that coordinate. And that coordinate you have to write separate. So that point P is 0B. Now it is point P 0, 27 by 4. Let me check x2, x1, y2,
Sir, you're on mute.
my 15 robotic students are sleeping, and see this girl um, from that angel nest alone. She is handling all the things. Pratiksha. So you, myself, we all have to say a big thanks. Okay. uh, hmm this is the O, this is P, this much is 3 centimeter, this much is 5.7 centimeter, less than double. Now from both the end we have to mark more than half, more than half, more than half, more than half. So your bisector, perpendicular bisector of that OP will inside. In robotic team, don't fight in a previous time. No, you have also done lots of hard work. At that time also I have appreciated a lot. But no, when day by day are going, no, so you are become now you totally become lazy. This team also have given me a lots of hard work, lots of teamwork. Okay, now M is a new point. From new point, that is a new center and old center. From this to this, take new radii and cut this. And from P, you can write PQR. That is a tangent point and tangent segment and the tangent ray. Okay. Pratik sir, how many minutes remain, bacha?